Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by deciding the chrome method, electroplating for metal or cold chrome for small trim. Once chosen, remove all paint and corrosion down to bright metal using mechanical stripping or chemical strip. That's why degreasing and grit blasting matter, they ensure adhesion. Make sure to mask threaded holes and interior cavities. Attach a secure electrical contact point for electroplating. Put on gloves and respirator because chemical baths and fine dust are hazardous, and set up ventilation before you proceed. Once the part is activated in an acid dip, you rinse and inspect for uniform brightness. Uneven areas need repeat activation. Next, plate a copper or nickel strike layer to fill micro-pitting and create a corrosion barrier. That's why multiple thin layers beat one thick coat. Make sure to control current density and bath temperature during each stage, because those variables determine grain structure and adhesion. Agitate the bath gently to avoid concentrated hot spots, and monitor anode condition so deposits remain smooth and predictable. You finish by depositing the thin chrome layer to the specified thickness for shine and hardness. Decorative chrome is very thin, so consistency matters. Once plated, rinse and neutralize immediately, then dry thoroughly to prevent flash corrosion. Polish with non-abrasive compounds for mirror finish, and apply a protective seal if the part will face harsh environments. If you see peeling or pitting, stop the run, strip the part, re-evaluate surface prep, and verify bath chemistry and electrical contacts before repeating to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.